Welcome to the Government Provider Management System training video series. In this video, we will provide an overview of what GPMS is, why it was developed, as well as how it supports aged care providers and workers to deliver quality care for older people. Let's start by exploring what GPMS is and what role it plays in aged care. The Government Provider Management System, or GPMS, is a centralised digital platform developed by the Department of Health, Disability and Ageing. It is designed to improve how aged care provider information is managed and accessed, with the goal of enhancing the quality, safety and transparency of aged care services across Australia. GPMS is a key component of the Australian Government's aged care reform agenda. It has been created to address the need for a more streamlined, reliable and accessible system that supports informed decision-making, better care outcomes, and stronger regulatory oversight. Importantly, GPMS has played a critical role in delivering reforms responding to the Royal Commission into Aged Care Quality and Safety. This includes enabling key initiatives such as star ratings, quality indicators, 24/7 registered nurse reporting, care minutes, quarterly financial reporting, provider operations, and finance and operations. GPMS provides a modern and scalable base and is being delivered through a staged implementation process, each stage shaped by regulatory requirements and ongoing consultation with aged care providers and software vendors to ensure the system meets everyone's needs. GPMS is a central platform that brings together key information about aged care providers. It allows providers to manage their own records, helps government agencies access accurate data, and supports better coordination between aged care and healthcare services. Through GPMS, providers can submit data such as registered nurse coverage, quarterly financial reports, and quality indicator program data. By reducing administrative burden and improving data accuracy, GPMS helps providers and their workers to focus on delivering quality care. In addition to providing benchmarking and functions to support providers' quality improvement, it also gives government a clearer picture of the sector, which supports better planning and oversight. For older Australians, GPMS provides access to timely and accurate information to support informed choices about their care via the My Aged Care website. For aged care workers, it reduces manual reporting and frees up time for direct care. For providers, it streamlines operations, simplifies how key information is reported, and improves data management and information sharing. And for government, it enhances oversight and supports evidence-based policy and regulation. GPMS includes two portals that reflect the transition from the previous aged care legislation to the current regulatory framework. The Registered Provider Portal supports provider operation under the Aged Care Act 2024. Providers will use this portal to manage their organisational information and fulfil certain mandatory reporting requirements, including registered nurse coverage, the quarterly financial report, quality indicator program data, and star ratings. Over time, all functionality will transition into the Registered Provider Portal, creating a single, streamlined platform for aged care providers under the new legislation. The Approved Provider Portal enables providers to view previous information about their organisation. This includes provider operations and accessing previously submitted data and historical records. The Approved Provider Portal will remain available for an interim period to provide access for previously submitted data and historical records, preserving a view of aged care organisations as they existed under the former legislation. One example of how GPMS is helping providers save time, meet obligations, and engage in quality improvement is the Quality Indicator application. GPMS now includes a single streamlined portal to enable quarterly submission of quality indicators. This includes built-in validations to help with reviewing potential keying errors and improve the consistency of submitted data, simplified design that enables providers to enter data more easily with fewer manual steps and clearer guidance through the process, bulk data upload capabilities, which enable provider and benchmarking organisations to submit data across many services in a single upload, and business-to-government connection, enabling direct transfer of data from provider systems to fulfil mandatory reporting. Once data is submitted, the system also features interactive dashboards that allow providers to compare their performance against similar providers, track trends over time, and preview how their data will be presented publicly. These improvements help providers better understand their performance and support continuous quality improvement across the sector. Future enhancements will enable new programs, connect with the provider register, and improve data sharing with platforms such as the My Aged Care service and support portal. These and other enhancements have the potential to create greater alignment and efficiency across the care sector by supporting consistent processes and enabling better coordination between aged care, disability, and veteran services. This will be achieved through the standardization of information and improved interoperability between systems. The business-to-government interface already enables efficient data transfer between provider and government systems and will continue to be extended and refined over time. These updates will be rolled out in stages, allowing providers time to adapt while improving the way information is being managed and shared across the sector. To learn more about GPMS, visit the Department of Health, Disability and Ageing website. You can also register for engagement activities and webinars through the Digital Transformation Tech Talk series. For more support, training resources and guidance materials are available on our website. Visit health.gov.au/GPMS to learn more. Thank you for watching.